Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a center table. First, gather all your essential materials, including sturdy wood like oak or pine, wood glue, and a box of screws. You will also need basic tools such as a saw for precise cuts, a drill for secure fastenings, and a reliable measuring tape. Preparing your workspace is crucial. Ensure it is clean, well-lit, and provides ample room for your project. This preparation sets the foundation for a successful build. Now, let's construct the base frame for your table. Begin by measuring and cutting 4 pieces of wood, each about 28 inches long, for the table legs. Next, cut 4 additional pieces, approximately 24 inches long, to form the top frame supports. Use wood glue and screws to securely join the leg pieces, creating a sturdy foundation. Then, assemble these supports into a rectangular or square frame, ensuring all corners are perfectly 90 degrees for stability. With the frame complete, it is time to attach the tabletop. Select a large, flat piece of wood, perhaps 36 inches by 24 inches, for your main surface. Ensure its dimensions are slightly larger than your assembled frame, allowing for a small overhang. Apply wood glue evenly to the top edges of the frame, creating a strong bond. Carefully place the tabletop onto the frame, aligning it precisely, and then secure it firmly with several screws from underneath. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and protect your beautiful new center table. Begin by sanding all surfaces thoroughly, starting with a coarser grit and moving to a finer one to achieve a perfectly smooth finish. Apply wood filler to any small gaps or imperfections, allowing it to dry completely. Then, choose a stain or paint that complements your home decor. Apply several even coats of a protective sealant, like polyurethane, to ensure long-lasting durability and beauty.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.